Today we have a TOS SN50c. It's a 20 by 80 lathe, made in Czechoslovakia. Came out of the maintenance shop in a large plant. Morse taper number 5 tailstock with a Jacob Super Chuck. Smaller diameter steady rest, larger diameter steady rest. Allura CA tool post and holder. 3-jaw chuck, bunch more Allura holders, live center, follow rest, slotted faceplate, 4-jaw chuck, taper attachment. I do not have the bed clamp for the taper attachment, but that's easy to make. The ways are in great shape, no lines, grooves, chips, or anything else. Machine is inch metric. Coolant pump behind the machine.
Remember how high it's going?
Light works. Full-length splash guard. Great running machine.